welcome to the blocks your championship finalists in the women's 100-meter breaststroke. In lane 1, representing Minnesota Aquatics, she was the NC2A champion in the 200 breast in 2011, Haley Spencer. In lane 2, representing Longhorn Aquatics, she's an NC2A All-American, Gretchen Jacks. In lane 3, representing Australia, she was 13th in this event at the 2012 Olympics, Liston Pickett. In lane 4, representing Australia, she was a finalist in the 200-meter breaststroke on Wednesday, Lorna Tonks. In lane 5, representing Irish Aquatics, she won the silver medal in the 200 breast on Wednesday night, Emma Rini. In lane 6, representing the New York City Lions, she was 3rd in this event at the 2013 NC2As, Katie Miley. In lane 7, representing Indiana University, she's an NC2A All-American, Bronwyn Haslowski. In lane 8, representing Crimson Tide Aquatics, she was a finalist in the 200 breast on Wednesday night, Patricia Purcell. Ladies and gentlemen, these are your championship finalists in the women's 100 breaststroke. Lorna Tonks in lane 4, our top qualifier. This morning she posted a 107.79. Let's really give these women some energy as they head through this 100 meters breaststroke. Out fast in lane 3, Liston Pickett of Australia, really setting a nice pace. The Australian's been swimming so fast in the finals throughout this meet. Liston Pickett, she turns in a 31.54, right behind her. Katie Miley is in that second position, 31.93. Just a beautiful breaststroke. As they come in with less than 25 meters to go, Liston Pickett really picking up the pace as they come into the wall. Under the flags, Liston Pickett. It's going to be Liston Pickett of Australia in a time of 107.19. Second, Lorna Tonks, 107.56. And third, Emma Rini, 108.08. Let's have a big round of applause for your women in the championship final of the 100 breast and our champion, Liston Pickett.